Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the privacy policy tab, where that info is. So if you're on a project, just go to menu and select back to homepage. Then you are going to select the settings tab here and you're going to select privacy policy. And here is where CapCut's privacy policy is. You can read it, it's loading. There's introduction, what information they will collect, etc, etc. Here there's lottery, just scroll down if you'd like to. I think there's also different privacy policy for countries. I think they have Egypt here, Indonesia here. These are the following terms that apply to my country. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!